Get ready for a thrilling comeback story that's bound to rev your engines. After more than 2 decades of silence, a legendary British brand is roaring back to life with its first new car in over 20 years. But here's where it gets exciting. This isn't just any revival, it's the return of Marcos, the underdog British marque that famously crossed the finish line at the 1966 24 Hours of Le Mans, stealing the spotlight from giants like Ford and Ferrari. And this is the part most people miss. Marcos wasn't just a racing legend, it was a pioneer of quirky, lightweight, and grin-inducing road cars that left an indelible mark on automotive history. Fast forward to 2022, when Howard Nash, a passionate enthusiast, acquired the brand with a simple goal: keep the restoration side alive. But here's where it gets controversial. Nash's vision evolved. Instead of just preserving the past, he's steering Marcos into the future with a bold plan to build new cars. By the end of 2026, a track-ready model will hit the market, followed by a road-going version that's essentially a modern, wide-bodied take on the Lotus Elise. But is this the right move for a brand steeped in heritage? Or is it a risky gamble to attract a younger, thrill-seeking audience? Nash himself admits, "We want to create something wacky and fun, something that puts a smile on your face." But can Marcos recapture the magic of its lightweight, noisy, and undeniably fun cars of the past? The brand's first new project, the Mosquito, is already turning heads. Inspired by the iconic Mini Marcos, it's a nod to the brand's roots while pushing boundaries. But here's the kicker: it's not just a concept, it's a fully engineered car set to hit track days and races by 2027. Will it live up to the hype? And this is where it gets even more intriguing. While many brands are going all in on electric vehicles, Marcos is sticking to its British, lightweight, analog motto. Nash hints that electric power isn't off the table, but for now, the focus is on internal combustion engines. Is this a missed opportunity, or a smart move to stay true to the brand's DNA? Let's not forget, Jay Leno once said a Marcos GT with an Italian badge could fetch $250,000. So, is Marcos undervaluing its potential by targeting a 5-figure price point? As Marcos revs up for its comeback, the brand is juggling 3 ambitious paths: reimagining a modern Mini Marcos for racing, launching its first production car in 2026, and restoring heritage models with modern tweaks. But here's the burning question: can Marcos strike the perfect balance between honoring its past and innovating for the future? And more importantly, will you be lining up to get behind the wheel of one of these new machines? What do you think? Is Marcos on the right track, or should it lean harder into its heritage? Let us know in the comments. We're eager to hear your take.